will send to you when I'm taking the class for Arrow.
This call is now being recorded.
Recording will be sent to you when I'm going to take a class for aeronautical students. So that recording I will share you. I am forgot to start the record as of now. So no doubts over here, right? Yes. So now coming to the algorithm to find minimum element in the list. Kindly be patient and listen this for 10 minutes. Then it will be very useful to you. So this is an algorithm that I have mentioned there. And this is the example process. You just consider this is an example process. What the algorithm has, what we want to do in algorithm, in the first step, we want to write the start process, and last step, we want to write the stop process. Yes, that we have discussed earlier itself. So in this step, step 2, read total number of elements in the list as n. So what is the total element in the list? In the example, 9. So the n will become here 9, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Step number 3, read first element as E. So what is the first element?
2.
2. The first element is 2, and set the variable name minimum. For programming purpose, you can use any words or any variable over there. That was not a problem. So here that was to find out the minimum in the list. So we are setting a value as min, M-I-N. So min is equal to E. So obviously the min is equal to
2.
2. Yes.
2.
2. So again, the set option will be there. Set I is equal to 2. So why it will be 2? So this is the first element, second element, third element. As like that, it will be a 9th element. Correct?
Yes,
so we want to compare the first element with the second element. So we are setting the ith element is true. And what is the I value here?
2.
I value
5. 5.
5. Yes. So that was not required in this stage. We will discuss in the I value. What is the reason? So that was not required in this stage. So we will discuss. So first you want to set the I is equal to 2. And now coming to the condition, if I is less than n, go to step 11, else go to step 7. So what is I now? I is equal to?
5.
No, I
5.
value is 5, but I range is 2. So if we are not set the value here, we are giving a I position here. So I is equal to 2. 2 is greater than what is n?
9.
9. So the condition will be?
False.
False. So if 2 is greater than 9, go to step 11. So 2 is greater than 9, we want to print the minimum value. So this statement will be false. So we want to go to step 7, right? Yes? Yes? It's not I value. We are setting the I range as 2, not 5. The I value is 5. So in the step 7, read ith element as E. So before that, we having the E is equal to 2. And in the loop statement, we want to read the ith element as E. Now the E will consider as 5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now coming to the another condition, if E is less than minimum, then set minimum equal to E. What is E now?
5.
5. So minimum value?
2, sir.
2.
2.
So if 5 is less than 2, condition?
False.
2.
Condition false. So this part will not work. It will automatically go to this part. So I is equal to I plus 1. Already the I is 2 and plus 1, it will be 3. And go to step 6 again. So here I will become 3. 3 is greater than 9. Again, the condition will be false. So it will go to step 7. So read the ith element as E is equal to, now the ith element E will be changed. Here it will be consist of
8.
8. Yes. Here it will be consist of 8. And if 8 is less than minimum value, so 8 is less than 1, 2, the condition will be false. So it will move to step here, and already the I value is 3 plus 1, it will goes to 4. And as of like that, it will move to this step. You do the manual calculation in your home, and then it will be comparatively. So when coming to this point, if 2 is less than 1, then set minimum is equal to E. Now, at this point, the minimum will be changed over here as 1, and it will do the operation till the end. So it will be, it is confusing to you, then I will move with the simple example with 3 ends. Yes? So I will move with the simple example with 3 ends, then you will get a clear idea about that, and after that you will go with this example, then you will get a clear idea. So now consider the example. The list is 5, 7, and 2. Yes? Yes?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
audible to you? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let's consider the simple example with the 3 ends. So first starting with the step 1 start, and the second step it will be read total number of element in a list. So now n it will become 3. Yes. So n will become 3, and read the first element as E. So what will be the E value?
5.
5. Yes. And step 4, set the variable and insert the value E over here. So here the value will be 5.
5.
Yes. Step 5, set I is equal to 2. So I is equal to this range we are setting that. So first element we have already taken. So we are setting from second element. So I is equal to 2. Now coming to the step 6, if I is greater than n. So what is the I value here? 2 is
2 is
greater than
3.
correct. Go to step 11. So the condition was false. So go to step 7.
False.
So read the ith element as E. Now the E will become the value 7. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
Yes. Now coming to the 8th step, if 7 is less than
5.
5,
5.
condition
True.
7 is less than condition
False.
false. So this part will not be executed. It will go to the next step. So next step, what is it? Will I is equal to I plus 1. So I we have
2.
fixed it 2 plus 1. Now the I value will be
3. 3.
Next step, go to step 6. So here the I value will be 3 is greater than 3. Condition 3 is greater than 3.
False.
False. So it will go to the step 7. So read the ith element as E. So what is the ith element? 3. Third element in the list. It will be 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the first element, second element, and third element. So I value now become 3. So what is the third element?
2.
2. So the E value will become 2. Then here we want to set the E value. E is less than 5 condition
True.
true.
True, sir.
Then we want to set the minimum is equal to E.
Equal.
Then we want to step the minimum. Now the E value become
2.
2.
2.
Yes. Then this ninth condition will be executed. I is equal to 3 plus 1. Now the I become 4. So
Yes.
here go to step 6. It will go to the step 6. Now the condition will be 4 is greater than 3. Condition will be
True.
True.
true. So after the condition true, it will go to this step 11. Step 11. What is the step 11?
Print minimum.
Print minimum value.
Print the minimum number. Now the lastly we having the minimum number as 2, where we
2.
have set the minimum value here. The 2 is the minimum number in the list. So that will be printed here. So it will be printing 2.
Okay.
Here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I am with the mouse. My handwriting is getting very worst. Please consider of this. So kindly make any notes of this, and you will get a clear idea about this. If you are having any doubts, you just unmute yourself and ask the doubts in which part you are having the doubt, or else you can give me a text in the chat box.
Sir, step 5, sir.
Yes,
I
yes, yes.
equal to step 5.
Yes. Step 5. So yes. So now coming to the step 5, this is the first element, this is the second element, and this is the third element. What we have done is we considered minimum as the first element. So we already considered first element as your E. So from second element you are going to start the process, right? So we are setting the process from I is equal to 2. It will start the process from second element, third element, so on to nth element, and it will produce the result. It won't consider the first element because we already set the minimum value as a first. So that was mentioned there, set I is equal to 2. That is the number of which number of element you want to represent from the starting stage. Clear?
Okay.
So this is, so all the problems, if we are going to the minimum number of value, first we want to take the first element as your minimum number. You want to assign the first element as the minimum number, and with we want to check those minimum number with the remaining value. So that was mentioned, set I is equal to 2. So the remaining value is starting from 2 onwards. So we have set the I is equal to. So this is a constant thing which you are going to do to find out the minimum of number. I'll give you 1 minute time to take this. So the simple example will be, I will give you a simple example how to calculate this. If 3 of the members, that is Haribalan, Sunoj and Sangavi are there, if 3 members having each value, first it will go for Haribalan, and second one Sunoj, and third one Sangavi. If I want to take first thing Haribalan and I want to compare with Sunoj and Sangavi. If Sunoj is having a minimum value, then Sunoj will compare with Sangavi, and if in these two, if Sangavi or Sunoj having the minimum value, then we want to print the minimum value as ever it is. So this is a concept. First we want to take the first person and we want to compare with the remaining person. And if suppose the third person or a second person having the minimum value, then we want to left out the first person and we want to compare this second person with the third person. So this is the concept over here. And you just take the paper and notes, understand the concept, and you can write this execution part, then you can able to understand this. So there is no doubt over here as of now. So all the members,
Sir.
are you having the doubt?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the doubt?
Can you explain the step 7 and step 8?
step 7 and step 8. Yes, 1 minute. Stores. So as of now, it was clear. So E is equal to N is equal to 3, E is equal to 5, and minimum value is 5. So we are setting I is equal to 2. And now coming to the step 6, if I is greater than N. So here I is equal to 2 we have taken, and N we have already mentioned as 3. The condition will be 2 greater than 3. The condition
False.
false. So what we have mentioned is, if I is greater than N, go to step 11 and print the minimum value. If the condition is false, go to step 7. So what is the step 7? Read the ith element as E. So I is equal to 2, so that is second element as E. So E will become 7 now. So second element is 7. So in this case, the E will become 7. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now coming to the step 8, if E is less than minimum, then set min as E. So what is E here? What is E here?
7.
7 less than 5. Condition will be
False.
false. If the condition will be false, then we will automatically move to the next step. So this then element will not execute, it will move to the next step. Here the I value become, already the I is 2, and if you are going for an increment process, the I value become 3.
3.
Correct? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then you are coming to the next step, that is go to step 6. It will automatically go to step 6 here. And what will happen here? I will become 3 is greater than 3. The condition will be
False.
false. So it will go to the 7th step. Read the ith element as E. So what is the ith element in the sense? Now the I has become 3. So third element you want to read. So what will be the third element?
2.
The third element is 2. So now the E became 2. Then you want to check this condition. 2 is less than 5. The condition?
True.
True.
So yeah, here the condition has been true. So 2 is less than 5. Then set minimum equal to E.
Equal.
So already the minimum value is 5. Now we want to set the minimum value as 2. Okay. So the condition is true. So the minimum value want to be set as 2. And again, the step 9 process will be executed. So I is equal to I plus 1. So the condition will be, the I value will be 4 as of now. So it will go to the step 6. Here we want to check the condition. 4 is greater than 3. The condition? Four is greater than.
True.
True.
So what will happen if the condition is true? Then we want to go for a step 11. So step 11 will be automatically executed. So as of now, the final stage, the minimum value is 2, and it will produce the result 2 is your minimum value. So you go with some of the example as you like, and you will get a clear idea about this.
Yes, sir.
The simple thing, we want to take the first element and compare with the remaining element. If any one of the remaining element is true, is less than the first element value, then make that as a minimum value and compare with the remaining value. So that is the simple concept. Have you clear with this?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you are having any, again I am telling, this is slightly an important problem. You can score easily 16 mark out of it without any troubles in a first unit. If you are go and analysis with your previous year question papers of Python programming, this question, in the first unit we are having 4 questions. If you are thorough with those 4 problems, then you can easily score 16 mark out of 16. So please go with this, and I will share you the videos also. Get into the videos 1 or 2 times if you are not clear with this concept. So this is an algorithm that I have mentioned here. So that's why I was explained over to you. I will share this presentation with you. And this is the pseudo code for finding out the minimum in a list. So same thing has happened there, and the written statement will be differ from the algorithm. The same thing has been happened. You just analyze this. So we are getting the first element as E, setting the minimum value as E, and setting I is equal to 2. And here the condition has been checked here, and read the ith element and comparing the element and setting the minimum value if it is possible. If it is not, going for an increment stage, and you are stopping the while statement and printing the minimum. So this is the same concept what we have discussed in an algorithm that was written in the pseudocode with some of the keywords that has been used. So this is the flowchart. I hope so. This was not clear. I hope so. Yes.
Yes,
Whether
sir.
it is clear.
No, sir.
So I will share this flowchart alone in your WhatsApp. When coming to the presentation, the flowchart will be not getting so much of clarity. So I will share this flowchart in your WhatsApp to some of them in a group, and they will share you in a personal group. Then make note of this flowchart. Whatever we have discussed in an algorithm, that was written in a flowchart. When you are clear with an algorithm, then when you are going with the flowchart, it will be very easy for you. Yes. So I will.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I will show you the code. So the screen is visible now. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this online editor already I have shared to you. So like for nearly 15 minutes of explanation of the particular topic, the code has been written in only 2 lines in Python. So that is the major advantages of Python. So we are discussing upon 15 minutes of the particular topic, how you want to find out the minimum value, how you want to compare, and how you want to segregate all those things. But the Python has been written in a simple code, only one statement that is known as sort. Have you heard about this sort? Have you heard about the sorting techniques?
No, sir.
So sorting is the thing, nothing it will happen. It will sort the thing in alphabetical order or in a particular range. If you are giving a text for a sorting purpose, have you used the word? You are using MS Office Word, the sorting techniques are there. So I will show you. Give me 10 more minutes, extra minutes in this class, so that will be useful to you. So So all you are aware of this word, right?
Sir, please zoom.
Yes. I am simply typing some of things, and what will happen is we are typing as much of thing in a word, and I want to arrange these words in a alphabetic order. So here the first letter is mentioned as W, and second letter is mentioned as S, third letter B, L. As of like I have mentioned some of the letters over here, and I want to sort this particular thing in an alphabetical order. So here the sorting option will be there in the middle. So here we can give an ascending or descending option, then it will arrange in an alphabetical order. See this, the alphabetic D has come first, F, L, L, S, B, W. So the order has been arranged. So sorting is the sense we want to arrange the particular thing in an order. It may be an ascending or a descending order. So this is a sorting concept. So in Python they have taken the n number of item in a list, and they use the sort function, and after sorting the function, they print the first value. They print the first element after the sorting function that was mentioned here. So if suppose I am giving here 5, 9, 4, 6, and I am selecting these 4 things, and I am going to the sort option, it will produce the 4, 5, 6, and 9. So this is the sorting technique. After sorting the first element, obviously it will become the smallest element in the list. Have you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you want to go for so if suppose I want to find out the biggest number in the list, if suppose I want to find out the biggest number in the list, and what I will do, I will go for a descending order, and it will produce the biggest number as 9. So this is the technique of sorting over there, and thus sorting technique has been used in coding language, and the lines of code will become very, very low. So these are so don't get panic about by seeing this codes and all. And I'm giving a simple example how the Python code will be differ from any other codes. So here the list has been collected here, and from the list1 dot sort option has been used. After sorting those number, we want to print the first element that was mentioned as 1. So this first element will be printing over there. If I am running this code and I will getting the result, you can see here the result. The smallest element is 2. So what will happen? It will sort all the elements and it will arrange in ascending order. It will arrange 2, 4, 10, 45, and 99. And in this, after getting the sort function, the first element that was mentioned here will be giving you the output. Clear? So this was a simple code. Don't go with this codes. And I want to explain you this. The Python is very, very simple language. If you are aware about some of the keywords and techniques over there. So that is a concept. So if you are having any doubt, you just ping me. If you are clear with this concept, and already I have mentioned some of the assignment, right? I have mentioned 3 problems for you as an assignment, and I have given the time till Sunday, and I will extend the time till Monday evening and make this problem number 4 as your assignment also. So write an algorithm, flowchart, and pseudocode for finding out the largest of given number in a list. We have discussed the smallest of given number, and you want to find out the largest of given number. You can take minimum of 5 numbers. The number will be your own representation. You can take any number as you like, and you want to give an explanation about each and every numbers. Clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
I will share this code with you in a chat box right now. You just take the code. Just take a snapshot of your chat box and you can keep with you. And once you are having any time, you can go with the online editor. I will send you this online editor code also. And you can try some of the things with alternative things in your list. So if you are having queries, you stay back. If you are not having queries, you can give your attendance here and you can move off. And one thing, if you are not giving your attendance here, I will definitely mark you as absent. If you are coming in the right time, it doesn't matter. If you are completing your class and giving your attendance, we will definitely mark you present in your attendance. So if you are having any doubts, kindly stay back. If you are not having doubts, you just give your attendance and you can leave off. Thank you for attending this.